In the realm of modern technology, Mystic emerges as a groundbreaking innovation in the field of drones, blending advanced AI capabilities with cutting-edge visual and analytical functionalities. Designed to revolutionize surveillance, reconnaissance, and data gathering, it represents a significant leap forward in unmanned aerial systems. At the heart of it lies its sophisticated sensor suite, which includes high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and radar technologies. This array of sensors empowers it to perceive its surroundings with unparalleled clarity and detail, regardless of lighting conditions or environmental obstacles. The integration of AI algorithms enhances its ability to interpret visual data in real time, allowing for precise object recognition, facial recognition, and even emotion detection. What sets it apart is its AI-powered intelligence, capable of processing vast amounts of visual data instantaneously. Through deep learning and neural networks, it can identify and track multiple targets simultaneously, classify objects and individuals, and predict behaviors based on historical patterns. This cognitive capability not only enhances operational efficiency, but also enables it to adapt dynamically to changing scenarios without human intervention. It operates autonomously, guided by a robust AI-driven decision-making system. Equipped with GPS navigation and obstacle avoidance technology, it can navigate complex terrains and urban environments with precision and safety. This autonomy extends to mission planning and execution, where it can prioritize objectives, optimize routes, and adjust strategies in real time based on situational awareness and mission parameters. It can monitor large areas continuously, identify potential threats, and alert security personnel automatically. It provides law enforcement agencies and private security firms with a force multiplier that enhances situational awareness and response times. In disaster scenarios or search operations, it can cover expansive areas quickly, identify survivors or hazards, and relay critical information to rescue teams, facilitating timely and effective operations. It aids in environmental conservation efforts by monitoring wildlife, detecting illegal logging or poaching activities, and assessing ecological changes over time through its advanced sensors and AI analytics. From inspecting power lines and pipelines to assessing structural integrity in buildings or bridges, its ability to capture detailed visual data aids in preventive maintenance and infrastructure management. With its powerful capabilities, it raises important ethical considerations regarding privacy, data security, and the potential for misuse. Safeguards such as data encryption, strict access controls, and adherence to regulatory frameworks are essential to mitigate risks and ensure responsible deployment. Looking ahead, its development roadmap includes enhancements in AI algorithms, sensor technologies, and integration with broader AI ecosystems. Collaborations with research institutions and industry partners aim to expand its capabilities and explore new frontiers in unmanned aerial systems. It represents a transformative leap in drone technology, harnessing AI to perceive, analyze, and act upon visual data with unprecedented sophistication. Thanks for watching.